So in this edition of using our leak detection equipment, turning those leak detections into repairs, we're going to show you how we did a leak detection on a pool that had a spa that's raised a couple of feet high. We're trying to let you know that, look, no matter how good the equipment that you have is, you need to keep your eyes open. And we're going to show you why, especially on this specific job. So here's an overall look at the pool. When we walked around, we could see that we have a pool and we have a spa with a raised wall, and from this pic you could see how high it is. It's a couple of feet higher than the actual pool itself. We're going to do what we do. We're going to inspect with our eyes. We're going to look around and see everything we can see, and then we're going to drop our equipment in the pool, starting with the pool scope. Listen around spa jets, listen around side suctions, drop and drag over main drain, around all fittings. We're always looking again for structural issues, structural cracks. Now, while we noted that we had a bond beam break by the skimmer, we didn't realize that our spa is dropping to pool. So when spa drops to pool, it raises pool, and it's leaking out of that actual beam break that we have and that we just pointed out to you. Again, when we have faulty check valves, this could happen. In order to prove ourselves, we drain spa a little bit, and we could see where that water came up to. Here's a pic of the check valve. And this is exactly how we determined that this is why the pool did leak. So now you can see what created this leak. So you had a spa that's raised high above a pool, spa levels dropping, raising water level of the pool, which was leaking out of that bond beam break that you had on by the skimmer of the pool. We're quoting this into repairing the bond beam break. You could see how we repaired bond beam breaks in another episode that we actually did. This one, we quoted it, got the repair. We'll probably show you some videos down the road of how we actually got the repair done.